everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Lasni. I will explain about index properties of soil. On Earth, there are variety of soils and they all exhibit different kinds of behavior. Properties of soils were vary not only with the soil types but also with the soil's grain arrangement and moisture content in the soil. For example, we may safely assume that gravel extreme soils will behave differently and then clays, but we cannot assume or say that all sands will behave alike or all clays will behave similarly. A loose sand will behave differently with the same sand. It is that similarities are to they will behave differently for the same type. So to understand that behavior of soils, we try to evaluate its properties in terms of grain characteristic, arrangement of particles, and moisture content. Using these evaluated properties, we try to classify the soil into different categories and properties of the soil that help in the identification and classification of the soil are called index properties. Index properties can be divided in two categories: soils grain properties and soils aggregate properties. Soils grain properties, as the name suggests, depend upon individual grains of soils. Properties in this category are mineralogical composition, specific gravity of soil types, and safe grains. More important properties of individual grains of soils are the particle size distribution and grain shape. Soils aggregate properties, these are dependent on soils mass as a whole and the issued amount of individual grains of soils put together. Differentiation of collective differential of aggregate properties. This part dependent on soil mass as a whole and this is good amount of individual grains of soils put together. These differences of collective behavior of soils, these aggregate properties depend upon soils' history. Put together, this represent a collective behavior of soil. These aggregate properties depend upon soil stress history, how the soil is formed and soils the structure. These properties are of greater significance for the engineering practices. Most important aggregate property of the soils is if relative density will vary. Thank you.